Imagine if you could follow a step-by-step blueprint to make daily pay so you never have to take a calculator to the grocery store ever again, so you never have to check the prices on the menu ever again. How would that feel? This is Olivia. She was stressed over her family's situation. One day, Olivia saw this post, "Create Lifestyle Freedom."
And many of you might be more like in a legacy builder mode, and you're like, man, I want to take advantage of what's going on in digital marketing, and please show me how to make $900 a day, which is over $328,000 a year. Would that change your life any?
Olivia decides to take a chance. She learns how to work from her laptop and starts her journey towards financial freedom. Little by little, things start to change. Olivia's hard work begins to pay off. Their lives have completely transformed. They're paying off debt, enjoying vacations, and experiencing a new level of happiness and freedom. Olivia took a chance and changed her life. Now her family is happier and more secure than ever before. Imagine if you could change your life in the next 90 days. How would that feel? Your path to 30K in 90 days starts now. Just put "ready" in the comments below. I would absolutely love to share this with you.